Looking to bring background music to an outdoor space? The Intusonic INTUSCAPE 4FP40R 4-inch weatherproof loudspeaker will do just that. Its one-shell design from impact-proof ABS resin with a recessed baffle, and a polypropylene cone woofer and a silk dome tweeter mean the cabinet is ready to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. From street-side cafes to idyllic beach bars, the INTUSCAPE loudspeaker series can handle most atmospheric settings, both day and night. Closer inspection of the rear side shows us the 4FP40R can operate in both high and low impedance configurations, with 4 power tappings to choose from, and a 40-watt low impedance setting. Parallel speaker connections are wired by a 5mm terminal strip for simplistic connection of multiple loudspeakers. A custom-designed simple-to-fit waterproof cable gland cover with 2 mounting angles is supplied for ease of installation. A fixing kit including a safety eye and a multi-angle ball head bracket with stainless steel rod is supplied with each loudspeaker. Available in both black and white finishes, this elegant loudspeaker will seamlessly integrate into any aesthetic. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.